Health Minister Andrew Little has announced a $14 million plan to ease pressure on the struggling health workforce.
It includes a dedicated international recruitment service for health workers and financial support for overseas nurses and doctors to get registered. Political reporter Isabel Ewing joins us now live from Parliament. And Isabel, there's also a partnership with a famous New Zealand soap opera.
Yes, Mitch, you can probably guess which one. Our longest-running soap, Shortland Street, is going to help promote the message of nursing as a career. But don't panic, it doesn't mean the government will be giving money to Shortland Street. Rather, it will share material with the show's producers to help them weave that message into the show's plot lines. Now, it's part of a nationwide recruitment drive, which was one of a number of measures to boost healthcare worker numbers announced today. Also announced today, the government will pay up to $10,000 of overseas nurses' registration costs, and it'll also pay international workers' salaries during the time that they do the training required to work here. Under the new Health NZ entity, there will also be a dedicated service to help what Andrew Little says are thousands of healthcare workers overseas wanting to live here. It'll help them deal with immigration issues and get settled.
Look, we just want to move as quickly as we can once we have that, and we want the people who want to come and work in New Zealand because it's an attractive place to work, having the best experience they can for getting here, for crossing the border, for settling in and getting into work in New Zealand.
Now, in response, the College of Nurses Aotearoa has warned against using immigration as a panacea for workforce issues, though the college has welcomed increased investment in education for nurse practitioners, but said that that increase needed to be significantly more to address the struggles people are currently having just to see their GPs. Now, opposition parties have also responded today with ACT telling the government to forget Shortland Street and just put nurses on the immigration residency green list, which would give them immediate and automatic residency. Now, today's changes come as there are more than 3,000 nursing vacancies nationwide. Andrew Little says Health NZ has got approval to hire 1,980 healthcare workers. That includes 1,200 nurses. And he says these steps will begin to address what is a decades-long workforce shortage.
Isabel Ewing live from Parliament. Isabel, thank you.